Yo, what's up YouTube? It's a Jet, and I want to let you know that you can increase your VC amount per event for every endorsement. For the ones grinding their badges on Mycareer season, for the ones trying to stack up VC, for the ones that just enjoy playing season of Mycareer. By doing this, you easily max out the amount per event. You should get called up for every maybe 2 to 3 games per event. Now, that might depend on how well you do in the season game and how many fans you get, but I'm not sure. But I get called up every 2-3 games, especially because there are multiple endorsements. Now, this method requires you to ask for less incentives, but it's okay because you'll get more out of events. Now, the game is going to say that you can't go that high, but you just renegotiate the same amount. Now, by the second time, they should agree. And you can do this for every endorsement you get from the start. The way you do this is you just have to ask for 6,500 VC. And you ask for 3 incentives. Now, say for example, you seal the deal with Jordan. The second time around, they'll call you up again, do the same deal that you asked before. You can't get more incentives. They just won't give it to you. I don't know why. I've tried it, even if you have an amazing season, but that's just how it is. Well, that's about it for this video. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know in the comment section. Drop a like and subscribe. I'll catch up with you guys later. Until next time.